Hey everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to schedule emails to send later in Gmail. So just like you would always do, when you start, open up Gmail of course in your web browser and click on this white button Compose to draft your message. Fill in your recipient, subject line, and of course the message itself just like you usually would. Instead of clicking the main send button, click the small drop down arrow right here, right next to the blue send button. And in here, click schedule send. Then choose a preset time or click pick a date and time right here. And in here, you can select your precise preferred delivery slot. So you have a calendar, you will have a summary of the date, and then you choose the time as well precisely. After that, when you choose, just press schedule send. And as you can see, it's scheduled for tomorrow, 8:32 p.m. That is it. If you enjoy our videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel.